Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make tea in Project Zomboid. Start by gathering your essential items. You'll need a kettle or teapot, a reliable heat source such as a campfire or an oven, and some clean water. Don't forget to scavenge for tea bags. They are often found in kitchen cupboards or grocery stores. Having these 4 items ready is the first crucial step to enjoying a warm beverage in the apocalypse. Now, let's get that water boiling. Place your kettle or teapot onto your chosen heat source, whether it's a lit campfire, a working stove, or a microwave. Fill the container with at least 1 unit of clean water. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, it's ready. This process not only heats the water but also purifies it, ensuring it's safe for consumption. With your hot water ready, it's time to brew. Simply add 1 tea bag to the boiled water in your kettle or directly into a mug. Allow it to steep for a few seconds, letting the flavors infuse. For a sweeter taste, consider adding a spoonful of sugar or a dollop of honey if you've managed to find some. Your comforting cup of tea is almost complete. Finally, it's time to enjoy your hard-earned tea. Drinking this warm beverage will provide a welcome boost to your character's mood, reducing boredom and unhappiness. It also offers a small amount of hydration, helping you stay healthy. In the harsh world of Project Zomboid, a simple cup of tea can be a significant comfort and a vital morale booster.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.